What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a review and a demo using the new, yes I got one, Tom Ford x Cardi B lipstick. This is a super surprise launch. Of all people, my know nothing about makeup boyfriends actually showed me that Tom Ford was coming out with the lipstick with Cardi B. I was so hyped. I'm like, I'm definitely getting that. And then I did a little bit of research about it and I'm like, oh, it's already out? And then I'm like, oh, it's already sold out. I basically gave up hope for finding this lipstick, but I was amazingly able to secure one from my Tom Ford counter from my amazing Nordstrom sales associate. I don't know if she wants me to name her, so I'll just leave her anonymous. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to be able to source one. This was actually the last one at my Tom Ford counter and I was like, whoa, this thing is hot. So Cardi B has had a very interesting week. If you guys do not know, she allegedly, and I'm going to use the word allegedly because I wasn't there, but she allegedly threw a shoe at Nicki Minaj because Nicki Minaj allegedly was talking about her child. So I don't know what's going on with that, but Cardi B is keeping her name in the headlines for New York Fashion Week. And coming off of that, she got a lipstick collaboration with my favorite, Tom Ford. I actually cannot wait until the day when Tom Ford calls me and says, hey Kelsee, we want to make a lipstick for you. I'm excited to have this. This is actually a part of the Girls and Boys collection. If you guys are not familiar with Tom Ford comes out with different lipsticks every single year in the Girls and Boys collection. And some of them are named after celebrities. Some of them are just named after girls and boys names. I don't know if you all remember a few years ago, he actually named one of the boys lipsticks after Drake. That one sold out really fast. I actually still have that one in my collection as well. This lipstick does retail for $36. Tom Ford is a luxurious makeup line, so the prices do reflect that. But the size of the Girls and Boys lipsticks are always smaller than the other lipsticks in Tom Ford's line. Cardi's lipstick has 2 grams of products. The new satin matte formula has 3.3 grams of products. And a regular Tom Ford lipstick does have 3 grams of products. Here's the packaging, super cute. Of course, it always has the TF embossed on the top, as well as on the top of the lipstick. It does rub away after you use it a few times, but it's always cute to have it at first. This lipstick also smells like vanilla. Here's the color. The color of this lipstick is described as a vivid, vibrant blue shade. And to me, it's almost like a blurple color because it gives off blue and purple. Cardi B is associated with the Bloods, which if you all don't know, their color is red. Like that's the color that they rep, that's the color that they wear. And their rival gang, the Crips, their color that they're associated with is blue. So I thought it was really interesting that Cardi's lipstick is blue when she claims blood. Stereotypes are changing, so I don't know about gang culture, not affiliated, but I just, you know, I know what I know. And I thought that was interesting. The finish of this lipstick is described as a sheer finish, and it definitely is. It's gonna go on very sheer. You do have to build it up to get a little bit more coverage, but even still with building it up, it still is a very sheer wash of a blue lipstick. So if you're going in thinking that this is going to be a bow, like super opaque matte lipstick, absolutely not what this is. If you all are familiar with MAC's lipstick finishes, this is so close to a luster finish with how sheer it is and how lustrous it is and just how it applies. I actually don't have a color like this in my collection. All of my colors that are around this color are super opaque matte lipsticks. This one is actually pretty unique. As far as the wear time of this lipstick, because it's so sheer, typically with lipsticks like this, you do have to apply them a little bit more often because they do rub around, they don't set down, and then with talking and eating and drinking, you're just going to be moving it a lot, so you are going to have to reapply this a little bit more, especially if you wear it by itself. This color is not something that I would typically go for. I honestly got it because I love Cardi B, and just for collector's purposes, I think that it's really fun to have stuff like this because I'm going to keep it forever and look back on it and say, hey, that's history. I remember that moment in time, and I'm glad I was able to get that lipstick because I am a makeup collector and makeup artist and YouTuber. So like I said, super limited edition. If you can snag one and you see one, I would get it. Don't contemplate too hard because this thing has sold out. Also, if you really want one, I would check with Tom Ford counters. Maybe call around and see if they can source one for you. I don't feel like buying this online is a strong option right at this very second. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the demonstration, show you guys how this lipstick performs, let you know what's on my lips currently. So I hope that you all enjoy and let me know what you think. So let's apply Cardi. So I'm going in with one coat first. As you all can see, one coat, very sheer. I can still see through the lipstick to my lips. I'm going to go in with the second coat. So here's two. The second coat added a little bit more coverage. It made it a little bit more opaque, but still it's very sheer, but not as sheer as it was with one coat. So I'm going to go in with one last coat. So that's about as much opacity that you're going to get with this lipstick. It still is very sheer, but it builds up to where you can get it to be a little bit more opaque. You can definitely pair this with a liquid lipstick underneath, or a lipstick or a lip pencil to give you a little bit more depth. I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to apply this lip liner by MAC called Cyber World. So as you all can see, I filled in the entire lip. Now that I have a pretty dry like base, I'm going to put this lipstick on top and it'll give it more depth. So here's what it looks like with a base color. Obviously, whatever lip liner you're going to use is going to take shape of that color. So if you have a dark blue lip liner or a dark blue eyeliner and you layer this on top, it's going to look more blue. If you have a purple liner, it's going to look more purple. So you just pick which color you want to rock with. I want to go with the purple, but I think it is really pretty on top. Let me know what you guys think about this lipstick down in the comment section. Are you guys a fan of Tom Ford? Do you all like Cardi B? I think that Cardi B is 2018's America's sweetheart. Like what it means to be America's darling in this day and age. I definitely think Cardi B is occupying that title. Let me know if you cite this lipstick anywhere. I know that it is extremely rare and very hard to find at the current moment. I'm curious to know if Tom Ford will make this lipstick a little bit more readily available, especially since how it sold out so fast. I look forward to reading you guys' comments. If you have not already, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.